this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Alchemy in Logic Pro X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Alchemy is a powerhouse synthesizer, and it is included with Logic Pro X. So all that you have to do is load Alchemy when you open Logic Pro X. As long as you have the latest version, it is going to be included by default. So create a software instrument track. So inside of Logic Pro X, create a new track and then make sure that you choose software instrument. You can click the plus button above the track headers, or you can use the shortcut Control Option and S or Command Option and S. Now, in here you should be able to find Alchemy. So among the list of software instruments, Alchemy will be included. In the instrument slot, go to Synthesizer and then choose Alchemy. Now you can explore the presets. You can use this information button here at the top left with the little I, and then you will find Alchemy. In here you can browse through all of the presets available. For this video, I'm not going to go super in-depth about how to properly use all of them. I simply wanted to showcase how you can locate Alchemy inside of Logic Pro X, but it is very intuitive. So you will have categories, subcategories, genres, timbre, and you can filter all of them. You will see other options here at the bottom as well, and various different controls. So you can open the browser, filter by category, and once you have loaded a preset, you will see the transform pad in the center of the window. You will have simple controls and you can use any of these alongside your track. So choose them from the list and make sure that they are applied. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.